Come on, look at the board and do. Join with me. Come on.
Do the shadow practice.
Come on. Do the shadow practice. Come on. Lift the hands and do. Look at the board. As it is classes, first you have to write C, then you make it into A and come down. Don't write anywhere two lines. You have to write in a single line only the letters. Come on. Lift the hands and write A. If you extend this tip, then what is the letter you will get? Huh? C. D. That's it. Don't extend the tip. Very small tip you have to give it. Good? Very good. Come on, see children once again. Start from the waistline. Move forward. Now come back like this. Now what is that letter? Now everybody lift the hands and come on. Come on, start. Move forward and come back like this. Come on. Everyone. Write E. Right in front of you only children. Don't. Amma ila stretch chesi rayiddu. మీ hands pain వస్తాయి. Come on. Right in front of you only. Free గా. బోర్డు చూస్తూ మీ ముందు ఇట్లా రాసుకోండి. బోర్డు మీద ఎలా ఉండాలో ఇలా హ్యాండ్స్ స్ట్రెచ్ చేసి రాయొద్దు. ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ చిల్డ్రన్. Right in front of the board. Come on. Move forward. Go to the half height and come back on the same line and leave it. Now lift the hand and keep it a small circle. And come back on the same line and keep it a small dot. Small dot. Everybody lift the hands and try to write that I. Come on. I. Slanting line. Don't